Me too, sweetie. Stories can teach us wonderful things.
Hello, friends. May I join your story time? I've got a great book here.
Whoa! Mommy, a book about plants!
Well, this is going to be fun.
Not only can I talk, I can teach. Today, we're going to learn something special. Being vegan means we eat delicious foods made from plants. You can have broccoli so good for your body, and carrots are great for your eyes. Our heart loves tomatoes, and we can become superheroes with spinaches. All our fruits and veggies are good for us.
Like carrots and apples?
Yes, and pasta, rice, beans, fruits, and veggies in every color of the rainbow. Strawberries, blueberries, apples, and bananas.
So, the more veggies we eat, the stronger we get. Right, Tofu?
Yes, my dear, you have peas and corn, almond and peanuts.
Look, Tofu. There's an orange and a lemon, and even beans and rice, just like you said.
When we eat plants, animals get to stay safe and happy. Here, Lily, take this book.
I love animals. I want them to be safe.
Me too, Lily. Cows can cuddle their babies, chickens can play, and pigs can roll in the grass.
They look so happy.
Eating too much meat can make our planet feel sick. Look, Earth gets tired and sad when there's too much pollution and waste.
But we can help.
When we eat plants, Earth stays clean and green. Rivers sparkle, forests grow, and animals have safe homes.
Wow! Eating plants helps the animals and the earth.
Plants give us vitamins and energy to run, play, and think.
They keep our hearts happy and our bodies strong.
Look at me! Super Lily!
See these? Vitamin A from carrots helps your eyes. Vitamin C from oranges keeps you healthy. B vitamins and D from plants make you strong and smart. Now, let's cook something together.
Yum! Let's make this one.
Cooking is fun when we do it together.
Stir, chop, and taste. Just like magic.
This is the best cooking adventure ever!
Look at this rainbow meal. So colorful and healthy.
See? Being vegan is kind to animals, good for the planet, and healthy for you.
Let's spread kindness with every meal.
And don't forget, you can spread kindness too.
I hope you enjoyed this lesson as much as I did. And don't forget to like and share and subscribe.